Hello, welcome back with another video. Today we discuss about how to buy Bitcoin. Investing in Bitcoins, BTC, USD can seem complicated, but it is much easier when you break it down into steps. Investing or trading Bitcoin only requires an account at a services or an exchange, all true for the safe storage practices and recommended. These are several things that inspiring Bitcoin investor need: a cryptocurrency exchange account, personal identification documents. If you are using now your customer KYC platform, a secure connection to the internet, and the method of payment. It is also recommended that you have to own personal wallet outside of the exchange account. Valid methods of payment using this process include a bank account, debit cards, and credit cards. It is also possible to get Bitcoin at specialized ATMs and via P2P exchanges. So there are some keywords. The value of Bitcoin is delivered from its adoption as a store of value and payment system, as well as its finite supply and decreasing inflation. Although it is nearly impossible for Bitcoin itself to be hacked, it is possible for your wallet or exchange account to be compromised. This is where practicing proper storage and security measuring are imperative. You can also purchase Bitcoin through mainstream services such as PayPal and Robinhood. One way to own Bitcoin indirectly by investing is companies to have Bitcoin to their balance sheets. Before you buy a Bitcoin, privacy and security and important issues for Bitcoin investor. Anyone who gains the private key to a public address on the Bitcoin blockchain can authorize transaction. Private keys should be kept secret. Criminals may attempt to steal them if they learn to large holdings. Be aware that anyone can see the balance of a public address you use. The flip side to this public information is that an individual can create multiple public addresses for themselves. Thus, they can disturb their stash of Bitcoin over many addresses. A good strategy to keep significant investment at public addresses that are not directly connected to the one that are used in transactions. Anyone view a history of transaction made on the blockchain, even though through transactions are publicly recorded by the blockchain, identify user information is not on the buying Bitcoin price on January 11, 2021 is near 56,000 and something rupees. We have broken down the step to buying Bitcoin below. Remember that you still need to do your research and select the best option to yourself based on your circumstances. Coinbase, Kraken, and Gemini offer Bitcoin to growing number of altcoins. These are probably the easiest on ramps to crypto entire industry. Binance creators and more advanced traders. Okay, we discuss in next video. Bye bye. Take care.